What is up, guys? Road7 here. Today I'm going to be talking about a casting that I've been very excited for once I saw it announced. Oops. And that is the 96 Dodge Viper GTS in the press color blue with white stripes, the legendary American supercar Dodge Viper. I love that they made a good RT10 convertible Viper and a good GTS coupe. New for 2025. They've had Vipers in the past, but they've been nothing like the actual geometry and shape of the car. So I made a video on that. I'll put that in the end link, but I'm excited to open this up and take a look at it. The Dodge Viper is like my favorite car, and it's good to see them do it justice. Headlight detail, the racing stripe. Very cool. You got tail light detail. I know they know this is an important one because they definitely took their time on the paint and the decals and doing a good job on that stuff. Awesome. These cars are just very, very important to American car culture. They're still fast, they're affordable, got a good look to them. I love the Dodge Viper. And I love this new casting. It's the right proportions and scale of that car instead of the one they had for so long that has since been replaced with two great versions of the first gen, second gen Viper. So I'm very happy to see this. I can't wait to pick up every single one of these that they do. Look at it driving around. And off the table. Also picked up this 96 RT10 with the new casting, relatively new casting I was talking about. And then I have one of these. I'm going to open this one up. The ACR Zamac version. It's not Zamac, but these cars without the paint might as well be. Actually, I think this is gray. I don't think it's Zamac. It's not, it doesn't have that like no paint look to it. It's just silver. And then here's the, almost dropped it. Here's the yellow convertible RT10 first gen Viper in yellow. Perfect to go on my little Viper display with the GTS Viper. These two, as it is my favorite car. Here's the fifth gen, and the first gen, and the smaller Hot Wheels. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.